Let's continue question number 5. Read the passage and answer the questions. Master X is a 3-year-old child. He is living with his family in a slum. Public toilet is present near his house. His father is drunkard. Drunkard means a person who is habitually drunk. His mother does not know the importance of balanced diet. This passage is given and the questions are asked based on this paragraph. Question number A. Master X can suffer from which different possible diseases in above conditions? So the Master X will suffer from diseases, malnutrition and various infectious diseases. How will you help him and his family in this situation? We will educate him and his family about balanced diet, personal hygiene and public hygiene, and the ill effects of alcohol. Sub-question C. Which disease can occur to the father of Master X? Father of Master X can develop diseases of liver and kidney, liver cirrhosis, cancer, heart attack, etc. Question number 6. Give the preventive measures of following diseases. Sub-question A. Dengue. The preventive measures of dengue are: number 1. Stored water should be covered. Number 2. Keep the cooler in dry condition. Number 3. Body should be fully covered. Number 4. Keep your surroundings clean. Number 5. Use mosquito repellent coil. Number 6. Observe a dry day once a week. Number 7. Increase your immunity to fight against the virus. Sub-question B. Cancer. Answer. Controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancers. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addictions like tobacco chewing, smoking, etc. So these are the preventive measures of disease cancer. AIDS. Preventive measures are: the blood should be checked for the presence of HIV virus. Off word is repeated twice, so make a correction. The corrections will be given in a PDF format. The used syringes, needles, etc. should not be used without sterilization. Avoid being contaminated by the virus HIV. Do ELISA test for proper diagnosis of AIDS. Write down long form of ELISA: enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Awareness about AIDS and HIV is the real preventive measure. Question number 7. Explain the importance. A. Balanced diet. A diet containing adequate quantities of all nutrients is called balanced diet. Significance of balanced diet: increased capacity to do work, good physical and mental health can be achieved, increased capacity to fight against diseases. Apart from having balanced diet, we also need to exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Sub-question B. Importance of physical exercise, yogasanas. Practicing yoga helps in controlling individuals' mind, body and soul. It brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps to manage stress, anxiety and keeps us relaxing. It also helps in increasing the flexibility, muscle strength and body tone. It maintains our posture firm and relieves chronic back pain. It improves the capacity of brain, lung and heart. Question number 8. Make a list of viral diseases, bacterial diseases, diseases spread through insects and hereditary diseases. We will write answer one by one. Viral diseases: hepatitis, AIDS, common cold, influenza. Sub-question B. Tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, leprosy, etc. are bacterial diseases. Malaria, dengue, elephantiasis are diseases spread through insects. Diabetes, Down syndrome, heart diseases are hereditary diseases. Question number 9. Write the information on modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer. Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery, modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Question number 10, activity based question. Enlist the names and composition of the medicines present at your home. Answer. You all are expected to write this answer based on the medicines available in your home. So children, we have completed the question answers of lesson number 2. I hope you all will complete it in your science practical copy. Make a chart of various infectious diseases given on page number 7 of science textbook. You all will write questions and answers in proper sequence in your science practical copy. I hope you all will complete the work within the time. Thank you and have a good day.